So tonight we're gonna make ravioli, and you know, everyone makes ravioli a little different with the stuffing.
Okay.
But there's a basic way of making l'impasto or the pasta.
Si. The pasta, well, I have the recipe of my grandmother, and I'm using 500 grams of white flour.
Okay, this is just regular flour?
Yeah.
Okay.
And 5 eggs.
So that's your rule of thumb. For 100 grams of flour, 1 egg.
Yes.
So make a well. So are you using both the reds and the white?
Yes. In the north, they use just the reds.
So it's a little heavier.
Si, it is much heavier, yeah.
I actually like my pasta a little heavy on certain dishes. Not for the ravioli. The ravioli has to be lighter.
Yeah.
But for pasta fresca, I like it a little heavier. Now this is a basic pasta recipe.
Si, with this you can make tagliatelle, for example, any kind. Okay, so here we have the dough. Now we start to work it with the machine.
Okay,
So...
here. Bene.
Si.
So while you're doing that, I will do the stuffing. Va bene?
Si, va bene.
Okay. Now the spinach has been boiled. You have to make sure that you squeeze out all the water, otherwise your ravioli are gonna fall apart. It's gonna be a disaster. And just cut into small pieces. So what kind of ricotta is this?
This is sheep ricotta.
Sheep's milk, and that more flavorful? Of course, if you can't find sheep's milk ricotta, you can use cow's milk.
Yes.
And then instead of using Parmigiano, you can also use some pecorino.
Si, of course, yes.
But of course, it's all up to taste. There's no rules here.
No rules.
I mean, that's the beauty of Italian cooking. There's no rules. Same thing with the ricotta. You want to make sure that it's somewhat dry. I'm going to use an egg, and the egg just binds everything together. A little bit of salt.
Yeah.
Some pepper. And I'm just gonna add some Parmigiano. More cheese will dry up all the excess water. Unlike short pasta or spaghetti, where you can stir so it doesn't taccare, it doesn't stick, ravioli almost have to be left
That's
undisturbed.
why. A little bit of olive oil in the water and...
Yeah. Okay, I think this is ready.
Okay, now we make medium-sized ravioli.
Okay. So using your hand like that is just removing the air pocket?
Si.
Okay.
So now we cut them.
See?
First. This is not only cutting, but it's also closing.
And I have to say, your pasta looks amazing. It's so thin, you can actually see the spinach and ricotta.
Everyone has a different shape from the other. And
Very
this
rustic.
means that they are
Homemade.
really homemade, yes.
Mine are a bit bigger.
Homemade.
Homemade.
Yes.
I like the big ravioli.